And I'm Marco, CTO and co-founder of Memgraph.
Thank you for joining us for the Memgraph October 2021 event. Today is a big day for Memgraph, and we want to share the details with you. But before we start, I really want to thank the growing and vibrant Memgraph community for helping us build a product that people love, and also thank everyone on the Memgraph team for getting us to this point.
Also, we'll have a Q&A at the end, so make sure to add the questions in the chat.
From today, Memgraph 2.0 is available for anyone to try out and use. Go to our website and try it out. But let's take a step back and show you what we've been working on. Memgraph is the platform for graph computation on streaming data. It's an end-to-end platform designed to solve complex graph problems in real time and accelerate graph application development.
You can easily connect all your streaming data sources, apply AI, ML, and graph algorithms on all the data. Imagine all the awesome apps you will build with those insights, from social networks to user event tracking, permissions modeling, recommendation systems, and so much more.
Basically, Memgraph enables teams to continuously ingest new data and incrementally execute sophisticated graph algorithms in real time.
Memgraph 2.0 includes a ton of new features. We are launching new streaming capabilities. Memgraph already allows you to easily ingest data from relational databases as well as static files like CSV and JSON. But now you can connect all your streaming data sources like Apache Kafka. Our team also developed temporal data types and read-write procedures. These enable you to incrementally execute graph algorithms on top of streaming data. Mage, Memgraph Advanced Graph Extensions, is the most powerful open-source graph extensions library of ready-to-use stored procedures. In Memgraph 2.0, we've added dozens of algorithms like PageRank, community detection, and many more. To easily use Memgraph with Python, we've created GQL Alchemy that you can use and contribute to. Memgraph is now ready to be used in the production and enterprise environment with replication, advanced security, and compliance features.
But that's not all. With this release, Memgraph becomes source available today. We strongly believe in open source software, and Memgraph plays well with lots of related open source technologies. Thousands of developers are already using our existing open source libraries and tools. But today, we're also happy to announce that Memgraph became licensed under the Business Source License, BSL, which gives users all the important open source benefits: the right to inspect, the right to repair, and the right to improve. We decided to adopt a very permissive version of BSL. Memgraph users can deploy to production without restrictions on reliability, scalability, performance, or data size, because we wanted to give the community access to all the important features for building production-grade apps available for free under BSL. The one and only thing that you cannot do is offer a commercial version of Memgraph as a service without buying a license. But best of all, 4 years after each release, BSL converts to the standard open source Apache 2.0 license. The community gets all this, yet Memgraph is still able to build a business and continue investing in R&D that benefits everyone. Memgraph's enterprise features, which are reserved for the customers who need strict compliance, auditing, advanced security, and support SLAs, it will continue to use the Memgraph Enterprise license. The use of enterprise features will always require a licensing agreement with Memgraph, and this license does not convert to open source after 4 years. But to sum up, we've committed to building a powerful core product that is open source. Even though the BSL isn't an open source license, this compromise felt closest to the spirit of open source while still protecting our business for the long term. And 4 years after each release, our commitment to open source fulfills automatically. We believe that the path we've chosen is the right way to build an open core company and still maintain a strong open source legacy. Check out Memgraph's GitHub page and join our Discord community. We wouldn't be here without the growing Memgraph community, and it's that interest and trust in Memgraph that helped us build a company that we are today. So today, we also want to announce a $9.3 million USD in total seed financing led by Microsoft's venture fund M12, with participation from Heavybit Industries, InQtel, Counterview Capital, ID4 Ventures, Mundi Ventures, Connect Ventures, and a bunch of amazing operator angels. And we would like to welcome Matt Goldstein from M12 to our board of directors. So, what did we actually build? And what's the idea? Let us show you. You can find network structures in almost all data sources, from physical infrastructure like power grids, oil pipelines, process networks in chemical plants, to social networks and fraud detection in a network of transactions. With Memgraph, you can essentially bring all of your data sources together under a graph view and get hidden insights from your data. Simply connect your data through your existing streams like Kafka and change data capture, or you can use CSV, JSON, and even raw queries to import your data. All of the data gets ingested in Memgraph's in-memory storage engine designed for real-time graph traversals. Concurrent query performance is where Memgraph shines, enabling you to continue ingesting data while not sacrificing performance of your queries, algorithms, and analytics. On the client side, Memgraph is compatible with Bolt protocol, so you can connect to it from any major programming language. To help you during development, download Memgraph Lab, a visual query interface with a fully featured editor that will help you build, debug, and profile your queries. If dozens of built-in graph algorithms, integrations with machine learning frameworks, and the full support for the Cypher query language are not enough for you, check out Mage, our open source project that extends the built-in capabilities of Memgraph. Or write your own modules using Python or even Rust and C++ for bare metal performance. You can download Memgraph for free and use it in both development and production environments, as Memgraph is source available under the Business Source license. For the enterprise, Memgraph is available under the Enterprise license. To get started, go to our website to try it out, join our community on Discord, or ask our team on Discourse if you need any help.
Thanks, Dominic. And now I'll show you what's under the hood and how Memgraph really works. With Memgraph, you can easily stream, graph, and build. On the left-hand side, Memgraph can ingest historical data from streaming data sources like plain files or relational databases. Since the data in reality is not static, Memgraph also helps you to connect to the streaming sources directly. There is no need for custom transformation services. Memgraph already ships different streaming clients. You can connect these data sources with Memgraph's built-in transformation modules and create graphs out of them. Memgraph DB is the core component, dealing with all concurrency problems, consistency issues, and scaling, both in terms of data and algorithm complexity. Memgraph Cypher, a well-known declarative graph query language. Memgraph is push and pull friendly, which means you can query data and run algorithms, but also get notified when something in the data changes. Memgraph C API allows the development of custom extensions in all programming languages. A handy wrapper for the API already exists for C, C++, Python, and Rust. Memgraph can interpret a Python script, or it just needs a dynamic library to be executed as a part of a query. You can query the data using the command line interface mgconsole, or even visualize it with the help of Memgraph Lab. Memgraph Lab enables you to apply different graph styles, import predefined datasets, and run example queries. Mage can be used to perform even the most demanding graph algorithms on incoming streaming data. You can run algorithms such as PageRank, community detection, and machine learning with graph embeddings, and many more. You are not even constrained by a programming language. Thanks to the Bolt communication protocol, our drivers are top-notch quality and lightning fast. It doesn't matter if you're into Python, Rust, or some other language, we've got you covered. So now that you've received the insights from your data, you can make it actionable and build applications on top. For example, you can create dashboards with real-time updates to monitor your data and the results of different graph analytics. Or build full-fledged apps from social networks to user event tracking, permissions modeling, recommendation systems, and so much more. It's as easy as stream, graph, and build. I hope this has been helpful. Please check out our website and GitHub repository. Try Memgraph out, or join our growing community of Memgraph developers on Discord and Discourse.
That was cool. Thanks, Marco, for giving us a closer look under the hood. We're thrilled to bring the power of graph applications to every developer, and I'm more excited than ever to see what you will build with Memgraph. To showcase what can be done with Memgraph, there are already 3 streaming demos on our website. The example streaming app, which is a starter code for graph streaming apps with examples in many programming languages. Clone it, and you're off to the races. Reddit Explorer is a real-time sentiment analysis app based on Reddit's threads and comments. Slack Interaction Analyzer is a graph-powered Slack bot that measures the user's influence and activity. Go ahead, clone and check them out. There are plenty more to come, including Orbit, Spotify, and Twitch. So keep an eye on our Memgraph community postings.
We are happy to answer any questions you have for us about the company, the product, or licensing decisions, and even detailed questions about how to build on Memgraph. So let's check out the questions.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, a couple of them.
Nice.
Why did you decide to make Memgraph source available? We made Memgraph source available because we firmly believe in open source software, and we wanted to give the community access to all the features for building production-grade graph apps. The BSL license is the closest to the spirit of open source, and it converts to open source Apache 2.0 after 4 years.
Good question. Here's another one. How should I start with building graph-powered applications? Well, you should definitely take a look at Memgraph Playground and go through the examples that we prepared for you. There's literally no installation required. You just visit memgraph.com/playground, and after going through the examples, you can visit our download page to try it out on your own machine.
Nice. Why should I analyze my streaming data with graph analytics? Why not? Graph algorithms rock. You probably have a lot of data that can be analyzed effectively using traditional methods. Graph algorithms offer many benefits in terms of performance and flexibility. Complex and interconnected data is better suited for graph representations anyway, so why not give graphs a chance?
Here's a good one. Can I use Memgraph in production for free? Absolutely. So please take a look at our licensing page and check out the available options and choose the one that fits best for you. We always do strive to be developer friendly.
And probably the last one, how can I get in touch with you for more details? Join our Memgraph community at Discord server discord.gg/memgraph.
Great. Thank you all for your time. We're super excited to see what you can do with the new Memgraph 2.0. Join the Memgraph community and get in touch if there are any questions. We're here to help. And last, visit our Memgraph website and download Memgraph 2.0. That's all for this stream, but Marco and I will be hanging out on Discord after the stream.
Come and join.
Yes, come and join the conversation. See you on Discord. Bye everyone.
Bye-bye.